In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create workflow automations in Asana. Asana is a powerful tool designed to help teams manage projects and tasks more efficiently. By adding workflow automations, you can streamline your processes, ensuring that tasks move smoothly from one stage to the next with minimal manual intervention. To get started, you'll first want to add a workflow tab to your project. If you haven't done this yet, it's quite simple. Look towards the top of your Asana interface and you'll see various view tabs. What you need to do is click on the plus icon located here. This icon allows you to add different types of views to your project for better customization. Once you've clicked it, a menu will appear, and that's where you should select Workflow. This will add the Workflow tab to your project, laying the foundation for you to build efficient workflow automations. Now that you have the Workflow tab ready on your Asana project, the real fun begins. You can start crafting and personalizing your workflow. When you're inside this tab, you'll be presented with numerous options showing how tasks can be added to your project. What makes this feature incredibly powerful are the automations available for each of your project sections. Automation is all about reducing manual tasks, so your time is focused on more important aspects of your work. A key feature of these automations is the ability to determine what happens to tasks when they move to a specified section. You can trigger actions such as automatically assigning tasks to specific team members, setting custom field values that pertain to your project's needs, or running actions that interface with external apps. This aspect of workflow automations can save a considerable amount of time by eliminating repetitive actions, allowing your team to focus on achieving project goals rather than the logistics of managing tasks. Furthermore, you have the flexibility to set precise triggers that will move tasks to the sections you designate. This can be especially useful when tasks are dependent on completing previous steps, ensuring a seamless transition from one stage to the next without the need for manual updates. As you become more familiar with these features, don't hesitate to experiment. By tailoring your workflows and automations to suit the specific requirements of your projects, you'll maximize the efficiency and productivity of your team. Adjustments can always be made as you discover what setup best supports your project's success. That's all there is to it. You've now learned the essentials of creating workflow automations in Asana. Use these tools confidently, and you'll see the positive impact they can have on your project management efforts. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.